Hey you guys, it's me Rachel, and today I'm going to show you guys how I achieved the silk press at home using products from SmoothMoisture. And just to show you guys my hair and a little backstory, I do have color, I do use heat, I do need a trim, and yeah, I'm living it up right now, but I will definitely get my hair cut later this month, so don't worry when you're using bleach and you're using too much heat, which no one told me to do, your ends will look like mine, so don't be like me. So as you guys can see, these are the SmoothMoisture products, and this is their silkening system. It consists of 4 products, and the point of these products are to minimize the frizz, fight against humidity, and just give you a long-lasting silk press. So if you guys like to see what I thought about the products, this is my second time using, and just keep watching. Okay y'all, so I'm going to start off by washing my hair, and I'm going to use the SmoothMoisture Vanity Silkening Shampoo first. This is considered step 1. And this just says, press and silk for sleek, straight looks without harsh chemicals. This has marula and argan oils, moisturize and soften strands, cleansing and thermal prep. This shampoo is sulfate free, cleanses both the hair and the scalp without stripping. So I have tried this entire line once before, and I think it did a pretty good job. My hair still felt very moisturized even after doing it, like on the first day, which usually the first day is nice, but I love like the second and third days are probably like my prime because the hair has like a little bit more oil in it and it's just a little bit nicer. But after that, I'm going to use the Luxury Smoothing and Strengthening Cream. Basically what this does is it makes sure silk press lasts longer, reversion resistant. I guess that means like your hair is not going to easily be affected by like the humidity. It seals in moisture, promotes anti-breakage, fights frizz, smooth shine, and this is actually a leave-in, which if you guys watch my hair straightening routines, I never use leave-ins, so this was different for me, but I ended up liking it. It also is a heat protectant. It says it wraps moisture inside hair fibers and forms a barrier to help protect against thermal straightening up to 450, and if you know me, you already know I'm gonna crank it up to 450 because it's just what I do and what I like. So I'll get in the shower and use these two. When I come back, I'll probably have on a shower cap, and it's gonna be time to like blow dry and use the other 2 products. Okay guys, so I just used the Vanity Silkening shampoo, and this is my damaged hair. It's okay though y'all, one day, maybe one day I'll just transition, but I don't know. My favorite style is straight, so I wouldn't see the point of that, but I'm gonna go ahead and apply the Luxury Smoothing and Strengthening Cream. And this is what you're supposed to do after you use the silkening shampoo, which I did. This product basically acts as a heat protectant, and this is what's going to be fighting against that humidity so your hair does not poof up. So I'm going to put this into my wet hair. You guys see me spraying water on it, and then I'm putting the product in a small amount. Then you're going to put on your cap or your shower cap or whatever and let it sit for 10 minutes. Then when I come back, I'm just going to blow dry my hair before putting in the next product.
Trying to pull us down with such mess. Why can't they let us live just like the rest and keep us out of all this crazy madness? And when they talk, I think it's just a shame that all they do is sit and think my name, when all that I do is mainly sit and think about my baby and me. And baby, they can't believe they can't. You and me are together. That's why they should have never said never. Yeah. There were times when we thought that you and me could never be together. That's why we should have never said never. Said never.
Okay, so next we're going to use the Hush Hair Glass Serum, but first I'm going to be getting my edges. To do that, I'm just using this edge taming stick, and I don't know the ingredients in this, so I probably wouldn't recommend to use it, but I got it from a wig box, which is why I say I don't recommend. But I'm just using this to straighten out my edges. It's like the only way my edges will stay pressed these days. But yeah, so I'm going to go on to use the Hush Hair Glass Serum. And this is basically just going to lock in more moisture and act as more humidity protection. So yeah, this is how I section my hair off. I just do the two sides, and then the back I straighten from the back to the top. So yeah, also it's on $4.50. I know you guys know, I'm sorry, I hate it, but I just have to. I don't know why. One day I'll stop. But yeah, if you guys want to see me straighten my hair before I use the next product, then just keep watching.
Say never, say never. Now there's a lot of talking going round about the way me and you get down. What are they jealous or they hate me? I guess they all have their own PhD. I wish that they would just stop sweating me. Stop trying to get the best of me. No matter what they say, baby, gotta move on 'cause we're gonna be epic. Did the thoughts that we know? Did the words that we say? Keep us from the love we now say never. Yeah, yeah. Simple, just see you in. Never would be never.
Okay, y'all, so the last product is the Mic Drop Silk Effects Finishing Spray, and this just adds a finishing touch and more shine, and I don't know why I was making that face, but okay, you guys, this is the finished product. Thank you so much to SmoothMoisture for sponsoring this video. Let me know what you guys think down below, and if you enjoyed it, don't forget to give me a huge thumbs up, subscribe, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye!